Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Compliments of the season. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle. Help me get to my full monetization threshold by watching my videos. To those who have been giving me super thanks, thank you so much. I so much appreciate it. In this video, I'll be showing you guys my gardening journey. So when I first started Vlogmas, I told you guys I'm going to be showing you guys, how I replanted my plants, things like that. So if this is your vibe, this is the video for you. So right now I'm going to stop talking and just, let you guys watch how I'm doing my process. I didn't really make it like a tutorial or something of that sort. So I was just recording myself and my mom doing this, and I hope you guys love it basically. Let's get our intro in and get started.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
And guys, this is what it looks like. This is the initial look of it. In the future, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, now. It has grown so much. So I'm going to show you guys like months later of what this looks like. So yes, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you again to those who have been giving me super thanks. I love you guys for that, so I can be able to get more tools and gadgets to make amazing things on this channel. And until my next video, it's season's greetings from me. Do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.